Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. So this video is for anyone that wants to add USDT to SafePal Wallet. So if you're a newbie, I don't know how to go about the process of sending USDT from an external Web3 wallet into your SafePal wallet, or you don't know how to add USDT to your SafePal wallet, then this video is for you. So right here, I'll be making use of, I'm going to be sending USDT live from my MetaMask wallet into the SafePal wallet so that you see how the process works step by step. All right. So good. Now, first of all, what I want you to know is the fact that whenever you want to send any token to your wallet, you have to know the network that your wallet is, or you have to know the network, the token you want. The token you want to be receiving, you have to know the network at which that token is built on. All right. So let's say, for instance, I want to send USDT. There are many networks under USDT. You have to know the particular network that you want to be receiving that USDT from. All right. They have different networks, like they have the BNB network in USDT. They have the Ethereum network in USDT. They have the Arbitrum network in USDT. They have the Optimism network in USDT. I hope this is clear enough. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be making use of the BNB network in USDT. All right. So, in order for me to add that, USDT right here in this wallet, I'm going to first of all select USDT, change the network. I'm going to change the network right here to USDT. Okay. And then good. Now these are all the various network that are in the SafePal wallet. You can see them, there are a lot of them. There are many. So now I'm going to search for USDT. Since it's USDT that I want, I'm gonna be searching for USDT. Now you can type the USDT right here. Okay, you can type it right here. In case you don't see it down here, you can just type it there for easier navigation. USDT. All right, if you type it there, you can add the network. Okay, but you will always see it right here. Okay, now the network I want to send is BNB. I will add, since the USDT that I want to be receiving is built on the BNB network, I'm going to be selecting the BNB, because that is the network, the particular network, which is the most important thing. You have to first of all know the particular network that you are in. All right. Now they have network in, like I said, they have USDT in Ethereum, they have USDT in BNB, they have USDT in Arbitrum. Right. Now I want to collect the USDT that is built on BNB. So I'm going to select BNB as the receiving network. So I'll tap on it. And then as soon as I tap on it now, you can now see that USDT right now is here. You can see the logo. This logo means USDT. You can even see it right here, USDT. All right. So I'll tap on this USDT now. I'll click on it. And then go ahead and click on receiving address right here, because you want to receive the tokens or the funds or the money from another wallet. All right, so I'll tap on this receive. Then you can see this code right here. You tap on this code to copy it, or you can go ahead and tap on this copy right here. Okay, and then now that I've copied it, you can see copied. Now you will now head over to MetaMask, okay, and go and perform the transfer to this wallet. All right, I hope this is clear enough. Good. Now we'll minimize and go to MetaMask. Here is MetaMask. I'll just come right here where I have this Theta USDT. You can see this Theta USDT right here, and just below here, this color, this little sign below it shows that the Theta is on USD, is on BNB, which is the Binance blockchain. So we are now in the correct coin. All right, or wallet. So we'll just tap on it. And then after clicking on it, you just wait for it to load. There should appear a section where you can see send and receive. So right here, you just scroll down to where we have this send button over here. Since I want to be sending to another different Web3 wallet, you click on this send button. All right, then you type the amount of USDT that you want to be sending out of the MetaMask. Right here, I have up to 1.111 USDT, 1.1 USDT right here. I can actually type here 1.1 USDT since I want to be sending it out. All right, or you can click on this maximum button. If you want to send out all the whole USDT, you can click on that maximum button that showed right below. $1.11322 USDT. Then go ahead and click on continue. Then you select the wallet you want to be sending it out from. All right, then you paste that address right here, that address that we copied from SafePal right here, and then it's going to load. Then go ahead and click on review button. All right, so after clicking on that confirmation, the USDT is going to be sent automatically to that external wallet, which is the SafePal wallet. Now you've seen submitted right here, and now it has shown confirmed. It means that this 1.11 USDT has been deducted from our wallet right here on MetaMask and is sent to our SafePal wallet. So let's head over to SafePal and let's confirm the transaction. So now you can see that the USDT has been transferred to our SafePal wallet. So if this video was very helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and see you in the next video.